Hello guys, this is Usman from eTutor9. Today we have practice session test for the sets and numbers. Let's move towards the test.
Question 1. 10 symbols 0 to 10 are called dash to represent any number. Answer is D. Digits. Question 2. A group of digits denoting a number is called dash. Answer is A. Numeral. Question 3. The dash value of a digit in a numeral is the value of the digit itself. Answer is B. Face. Question 4. Counting numbers excluding 0 are called dash. Answer is B. Natural numbers. Question 5. All counting numbers including 0 are called dash. Answer is A. Whole numbers. Question 6. All natural numbers, 0 and negative of counting numbers form the set of dash. Answer is D. Integers. Question 7. Which of the following is the set of positive integers? Answer is A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Question 8. Which of the following is the set of natural numbers? Answer is A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Question 9. Which of the following is the set of negative integers? Answer is B. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Question 10. Which of the following is the set of whole numbers? Answer is C. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Question 11. Dash is neither negative nor positive. Answer is D. 0. Question 12. A number divisible by dash is called an even number. Answer is B. 2. Question 13. A number not divisible by 2 is called an dash number. Answer is B. Odd. Question 14. A number greater than dash is called a prime number. Answer is B. 1. Question 15. A prime number has exactly dash factors. Answer is A. 2.
So guys, how was your test? Please let us know in the comment section. If you like the video, please subscribe our channel and like and share it as well.